Hey everybody, welcome back to Bake the Challenge.
Every episode, we pick a challenge that was previously done on a baking competition, and we see if we can do it.
So today, you are baking the rainbow. It doesn't matter what you make, you just have to bake using 5 different colors, minimum. And then you will have 60 minutes to create a dessert. Put 60 minutes on the clock.
Hold on.
Okay, wait, yes.
I was just pausing so I could think. Okay.
Go, girl.
Oh, I kind of thought I didn't. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna make a rainbow cake. Citrus to me feels like the rainbow. So I'm gonna do kind of like a Swiss roll. Rainbow, I'm gonna make the filling citrusy and maybe a lemon curd in there, and then I'm gonna put fresh fruit on it. Maybe on the outside, and I'm gonna do a cheesecake filling. So with that in mind, I'm gonna start with the cake, because the cake has to get baked and cooled first.
I hear Damaris talking about the flavors, but then she has to bring in the colors, because you not only want to taste the rainbow, but you want to see the rainbow.
Oh, yes. Okay, so I'm gonna use food coloring. I might use fruit. I could just do fruit. Like, I could embed fruit into the layers. So it could be like fruit
that shell
layer.
went into the wrong bowl.
Shoot! Carla, don't talk to me. I always do a hand mixer because I have more control. You don't want to overbeat them. If you overbeat them, you pop the actual protein structure.
I mean, that's great, but 12 minutes down.
Girl, I'm trying to teach the people. Okay, so soft peaks are what we're looking for. Okay, these are done, soft peaks, right? Okay, next thing.
So what I want to point out is how Damaris has all of the things that are fatty. Milk, egg yolks, oil, they're all in one bowl and separated from the whites. That fat is going to carry the flavor, which is why she's putting the vanilla into the fat.
So I don't need a color yellow, and I really honestly kind of don't need a color orange, right? I'm gonna put a little bit of orange food coloring, but we need red, orange, yellow, green, and blue.
She doesn't want to add the food coloring after the egg whites are in because they will deflate. So it's important for her to color the base so things don't get overwhipped. You're not gonna put yellow in the yellow?
No, I am. I wasn't.
So right now the colors are looking really good and they actually look like the rainbow. We'll see if the green matches the 3 colors. Ooh!
Oh no!
No big deal, but you're gonna lighten it. You're gonna lighten it with the egg whites. It's also going to get lighter in the oven as they bake. So it will be very interesting to see what happens in the bake.
Will it be very interesting?
No, I mean,
Fred, I have all these grand ideas of how this was gonna go, which I feel like really speaks to how it is for the actual bakers.
Damaris, you have 30 minutes.
Oh, you know what else I forgot? Salt in my bag.
Oh, she forgot salt. The one thing that I am constantly saying to the bakers is not enough salt. One thing you could do, salt simple syrup.
Oh, good thinking.
20 minutes down.
I gotta work fast because this starts spreading.
She needs space for 5 rows.
This is,
all right, last color.
This was a very bad idea. Like, this is like when you are watching the bakers and you're like, you can feel them being like, well, I wish I had not done this. Like, but this 30 minutes through, there's like not really anything I can do to pivot. So this is what we're doing.
All right, into the oven we go. This cake bakes very quickly.
You wanna start it? Okay, and we are baking the challenge. Who knows if they can do it?
I don't know.
Carla and Damaris, 2 are gonna do it. Ba 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 bake the ba 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 bake the ba 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 bake the challenge. Okay. Now I can finally breathe.
What are you doing next?
Now I'm making my filling. So this one starts with cold cream cheese.
Okay.
It's just cold cream cheese, granulated sugar, which everybody has, and then heavy cream. So it tastes like a no-bake cheesecake inside of there. And then I'll put in the passion fruit pulp.
Oh, yum. All right, have at it.
I never made this before. You know, like, that's how it always goes. You're like, I think it would be good with this. Come on, whip it hard.
All right, Damaris, you have 25 minutes left.
Whoa, okay. Focus, got it. Okay.
Oh, sooky. All of the colors came out beautifully. Into the freezer we go. All right, so Damaris, what are you doing?
Passion fruit simple syrup that I can soak the cake in, and I can add in a little bit more salt.
Yes. One of the ways that bakers get additional flavors and intensifies a cake is by adding a simple syrup. That way you can control your flavors. Damaris forgot the salt in the cake, so here she's doing a passion fruit simple syrup with the salt. Boom!
Okay. This is yum.
A lot of times people forget salt in baking because they're like, it is sweet. You need the acid, you need to balance. It's all about balancing, and that's the one thing that we're constantly telling our bakers is like, it needs more salt. If you bake like you cook, the flavors are more balanced. To remind you all, she is baking the rainbow, a minimum of 5 colors. 3 minutes left. She's making sure that the filling is the same all the way through. She wants that signature curve. We cannot see if it is successful until we cut it. It did not break. It looks pretty darn good, but is it a roulade or is it not? This is good stuff.
My hands are shaking.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Step away. Look at the rainbow.
60 minutes is not enough time for this challenge. I'm just gonna go ahead and say that. It's not enough time. Like, I don't know that I would do anything different. I would just work faster and talk less and be less of a hot mess.
First of all,
Yes.
the colors are beautiful. I see the colors of the rainbow. I think the way that you laid them down, you actually get the rainbow. I want a little more of the roll.
I know. The roll is too thin for the amount of filling.
The flavors are fantastic. It tastes bright and light, and the textures of the fruit is interesting. You missed the salt in the cake.
Yeah.
But by adding the simple syrup, I wouldn't have known.
I really thought I wasn't gonna struggle at all. But it is a great reminder when I'm judging that these challenges are so much harder than they look.
It was a success.
What other challenges would you like to see us attempt? Let us know in the comments below. While you're down there, like and subscribe. We're trying to build a community with all of you all, and when you interact with us, it makes the community feel so much richer and more engaging. So thank you, and tune in next time when we try to
Big
the
challenge.
Nailed it. We totally nailed that ending.